Valve number 3 chalawa sakdon.
How to replace valve?
Okay, how to replace valve? Very important.
First, this is open.
Cable tie.
This is round, I say. This is valve opener.
Valve opener.
Okay.
Valve 3.
Yeah. Looks. No one has seen before. Tools. You still need to use that socket.
Actually, I have 3 point. Needed 2 point.
Oh, okay. Oh, it leaks. These valves are interchangeable or what? Okay. How do we, like, what is the required qualification for this engineer thing? Like BTEC or something, the work that you do? Yeah. How do we train? How do we apply? Sometimes I might want to work with you, no? Someday. Or like those electronic degree or something, we need to do
Electronics.
Electronic. Is there any post for like laboratory technicians in your company?
Only application specialist.
It's how do we apply? Online? Does it require frequently or?
No, online. No. Actually, when मिथुन दा
Yeah.
फील्ड में फील्ड वर्क relationship